Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. First of all, open Play Store on both smartphones, tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. From this screen over here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Receive on Xiaomi and Send on an Android. Following that, tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will transfer all of the chosen files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file. For example, this photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on Xiaomi, then choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. Now wait a bit, and as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!